Even early spring, there are lots of food plants that you can grow in your garden. The first one that I would recommend to have in any garden is perennial herbs. Rosemary, thyme, sage, parsley, you name it. Garlic and onion are other option, and you can already enjoy green leaves while waiting for the main harvest. And don't forget about growing early bulbs. I recently recorded a video about them. You can watch it after you finish this one. Salads love short days and cold weather, which is perfect growing conditions right now. There are many different types of salads, and you can always find the one you will like. It's an excellent opportunity to bring fresh vegetables to your meal early in spring. And in few weeks you can plant tomatoes right there. Mizuna is an Asian green which also should be growing in most of the gardens. Sorrel is another very early plant, but I personally don't like it too much. But I do like rhubarb. While still young, its stalks are delicious and can be even eaten fresh. And here is a very surprising addition to this list, wasabi. It doesn't have to be grown in Japan. There are many countries, including in Europe, where you can grow them. And their leaves are also edible and great addition to salads early spring. Different types of cabbages are also fantastic. You can use Savoy cabbage or, for example, kale, which can be coming in different colors and varieties. Many types of cabbage are suitable for growing early spring. Chard is another vegetable very much loved, for example, in Switzerland, but not that well known in many other countries. Artichoke, in my opinion, is definitely the king or the queen of the garden early spring. It looks fantastic and soon will bring fantastic harvests. And of course, I'm sure you didn't forget growing seedlings. Hardy vegetables can definitely be grown as seedlings because you should be able to plant them outside very soon. Think of, for example, green peas. Don't you want to have them harvested a couple of weeks earlier than usually? Depending on your weather conditions, they can be already inside or outside the greenhouse. And they have an added advantage. If outside, they can be brought in for night. And of course, I have to mention plants in containers. Soil in containers gets warm faster, so you are able to harvest your vegetables faster.